such a nice gal. Yeah. This tea is really good. Oh yeah, my little grandson Jimmy said I had to set up my carbon monoxide detector today. Gotta go do that.
Oh, hi there. My name's Tico Brohan, and I'll be talking to you about the causes and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. Come on! Carbon monoxide poisoning occurs after enough inhalation of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion.
Some symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headaches, vertigo, and flu-like effects. Larger exposures lead to toxicity of the central nervous system and heart, and can even cause death.
Long-term effects include depression, confusion, and memory loss. When carbon monoxide enters the body, it combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. This prevents oxygen from binding with hemoglobin, therefore reducing blood's ability to carry oxygen.
Hemoglobin, it's oxygen. Gotta form a bond. Gotta carry oxygen throughout the body. Hemoglobin? Hemoglobin! Hemoglobin!
He's over here. You're not welcome in the bloodstream.
Yo, what up, digestive system?
Not much, nervous system.
Holla!
You ready to hit it off, boy?
Yeah!
Alright, let's go. Repping the large intestines.
Man, alright! Carbon monoxide is not a joke. If it enters your system, you'll probably choke.
But no, we ain't kidding, you should be scared because the effects of CO poisoning are so unheard, yo.
If you wanna prevent it, you gotta detect it. Plug a CO detector in and that's perfection.
Cause the poisoning just ain't right. It will destroy and knock out your body's life.
Yo, don't operate gas fireplaces in your house. I seen them effects, it ain't right. Never burn charcoal in your house. We don't know why anyone would, but we thought we would just say that. Yeah.